everyone. It's Monday, 26th July, and the time right now is 3:30 p.m. and the temperature is positive 24 degrees Celsius. Today I am at the BC and Alberta's border, Yahoo National Park. And right now I am at the Canada's second tallest waterfalls at Takawaka Falls. So whenever you come to Takawaka Falls, you have to hike at least 15 minutes to reach the Takawaka Falls. And there is a high tide river before the Takawaka Falls, and you have to cross this small little wooden bridge. Oh my god, did you hear the sound of the water? And look at the water is white. Let's go closer to the Takawaka Falls. So I start my walk. It's very close to Takawaka Falls because I don't want to do a long walk. So as you can see, you have to walk. There is a lot of tourists in Takawaka Falls. So I can do a little pause my video whenever I'm very close to falls. I will start my video again. Now I'm pretty close to the falls. Wow, and I can feel all the mist which is come from the falls. Woo. So I'm waiting for the rainbow. Last time when I was here, there is a lot of rainbow. Closer. The back side of the falls is all blurry because of the smoke, and today at around the Takawaka Falls it's a very high alert smoke. The air quality is very harmful though, but it's summer Woo! Oh my god, just look at the. This looks
It's really interesting how
terrible. It's very windy. Woo! Oh my god, it's a lot of mist coming from the wind and the falls. Yes. Ooh. There's wind and the weather is pretty cold here. I think my camera is going to be blurry very soon because of the mist. So take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.